Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to extrude a face. So you can go to parametric body and create new sketch, choose the top plane. For example, I will draw rectangle. Use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to extrude a face, you can select the face object. And the next, use the pad tools. So to be extrude the face. Like in here, I will set for the taper angle. Okay, to minus 15. Click OK to apply. Okay, I will select again this face. Use the pad tools. You can set for the extrusion length. Click OK. Click on the face again. Use the pad tools to extrude face. And we set for the taper angle 15. And the next, I will extrude the selected face. Click OK. You also can fillet this object by using the fillet tools. Use all edge. And you can set for the fillet size here. If you done, click OK to apply. So that's it for a basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to extrude a face.